Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English listening practice channel. Today's topic is how to ask for directions in a new city. Imagine you are traveling to a new city. Everything is unfamiliar. The streets look different, the buildings are new, and you don't know where to go. In situations like this, asking for directions becomes very important. In this lesson, you will listen to different conversations where people ask for directions. These conversations will help you learn useful English phrases that you can use in real life. So relax, listen carefully, and try to understand the conversation. Let's begin. Situation 1. Asking for the train station. Imagine that you just arrived in a new city. You are standing on a street, and you need to go to the train station. You see a local person walking nearby, and you decide to ask for help. Conversation. Excuse me. Could you help me? Yes, of course. I'm trying to find the train station. Could you tell me how to get there? Yes, it's not very far from here. Really? That's good to hear. First, go straight down this road for about 2 blocks. Okay. Then turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Yes, after you turn left, you will see a large park on your right. A large park on the right. Exactly. The train station is just across the street from the park. Oh, I see. It should take about 5 minutes to walk there. Thank you so much for your help. Have a nice day. You too. Situation 2. Asking for a restaurant. Now imagine you are hungry and you want to find a good restaurant. You decide to ask someone on the street. Conversation. Excuse me, do you know where I can find a good restaurant? Yes. There are several restaurants nearby. That's great. Could you recommend one? Sure. There is a very nice restaurant called City Grill. Sounds interesting. How can I get there? Walk straight along this street until you reach the second intersection. The second intersection. Yes. Then turn right. Okay. After turning right, walk for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You will see the restaurant on the left side of the street. Is it easy to find? Yes, there's a big red sign in front of the restaurant. Perfect. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal. Situation 3. Asking for a bus stop. Now let's imagine you need to catch a bus. Conversation. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest bus stop is? Yes, the bus stop is quite close. Great. Where exactly is it? Go straight down this road. Okay. Then turn right at the pharmacy. Turn right at the pharmacy. Yes. After that, walk for about 1 minute. 1 minute. You will see the bus stop next to a small coffee shop. Next to the coffee shop. That's right. Thank you for your help. No problem at all. Situation 4. Asking inside a store. Sometimes you might ask for directions inside a shop or building. Conversation. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? Do you know where it is? Yes, it's quite popular. How can I get there from here? You need to go straight down this street. Okay? Then turn left at the bank. Turn left at the bank. After that, continue walking for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You will see the museum on the right side. Is it a big building? Yes, it's a large white building with many columns. Oh. That sounds easy to find. Yes, it is. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Useful English phrases for asking directions. Now let's learn some very useful phrases. These phrases will help you ask for directions politely. Excuse me, could you help me? Could you tell me how to get to the train station? Do you know where the nearest restaurant is? Is there a bus stop near here? How far is it from here? Is it within walking distance? Which way should I go? Should I turn left or right? These sentences are very common and very useful. Try to practice them again and again. Tips for asking directions in English. Here are a few helpful tips. First, excuse me. This is a polite way to get someone's attention. Second, speak slowly and clearly. Third, listen carefully to the directions. If you don't understand something, you can say, "Could you please repeat that?" Or, could you speak a little slower? People are usually happy to help if you ask politely. Short practice conversation. Let's practice one more conversation. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library? Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks. Okay. Then, turn right. Turn right. Yes, and the library will be on your left. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Conclusion. Asking for directions is an important skill when you travel to a new place. With the phrases you learned today, you will feel more confident speaking English in real-life situations. Remember to practice these conversations again and again. The more you listen, the more your English will improve. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English listening practice lesson.